Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power x plus 2 power x minus 1 by 2 power x plus 1 minus 2 power x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 2 power x plus, I'm going to use a very famous exponent rule, x power m minus n. We can write it as x power m by x power n. And another exponent rule, x power m plus n, is x power m times x power n. So we can write this as 2 power x by 2 power 1. By similarly, another exponent rule, the second one, we can write it as 2 power x times 2 minus 2 power x. So if I'll take 2 power x as common from numerator, so it becomes 1 plus 1 by 2 by 2 power x as common from denominator, 2 minus 1. So we can cancel out this. So 1 plus 1 by 2 by 1, 1 plus 1 by 2. If we'll take LCM, 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2, or 1 whole 1 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.